I'm tired of work. It is so hard. I've been sitting here for 3 hours. My shift is ending soon, so maybe I should just wait. Attention everyone! It is now time for you all to go home. Everyone may end their shifts now. Yes, finally! I've been waiting forever to end this shift to end. For real, my head hurts. Well, be glad, because one of you is actually going to stay here. What? You mean someone's going to stay here? Yes, someone's going to make my coffee. I'll just do it. All right, Lily, it's your 3rd time doing it. But sure, go ahead. Anyways, anyone else who doesn't have to do my coffee may now leave. Have a nice day. I am actually ready to go. I am tired. Oh, hi there. My name's Ava, and this is my rainy night routine. So today I have to go home because I just finished work. So here's my bag, my work phone, and let's go. Alright, it's time for you to get some coffee now. Yes, I'm gonna make it. Also guys, this is my OC. Yeah, I changed her hair. But, I'm back. Sorry for the long ghosting, but I'm back and I'm going to be posting. Okay? I just had a very busy week, so yeah. Okay, anyways, back to the video. Oh my gosh, I'm tired of this. Just grab this real quick. Alright. I'm so tired. Boss, I've made your coffee. Oh, thank you. You can go home now. Yeah, okay. Whatever. Yummy. I'm so tired. Okay, so basically what I do when I get home is I put my bags down because my bag is so heavy. It feels like I'm lifting weights. Literally, that's how heavy it is. Then I just like to go talk to my friends, and I need to put my water bottle in the sink. So now that I put my water bottle in the sink, I'm gonna go ahead and talk to my friends on the phone for a little bit. Okay, so now I'm done talking with my friends. I'm just gonna go ahead and take a shower because I literally stink. And I just need to take a shower. Okay, now that I'm done with my shower, I'm gonna go ahead and go to my room and change. Now it's time for some brushing for my hair. Let me just take it out because this hairstyle hurts because I did it way too tight. So it actually hurts so bad. So I'll be back when I take my hair out. Okay, my hair is out and it's kind of messy. Don't mind it. But let me just go ahead and brush. I used this brush that I got from Target. Isn't it so pretty? Even though it's literally just wooden, but I really don't care. Now I'm gonna put some lip gloss on because I don't want to have ashy lips. I mean, crusty lips. Now I'm gonna play some games for a little bit. Okay, so right now I'm cooking some mushrooms and some chicken. So that's gonna be my dinner, and I'm actually so proud of myself because I literally made it so crispy, and I better hurry up before it burns. So I'll be back. This looks so good. Oh no. I was supposed to let my dogs go to the bathroom. Okay, wait, I'm supposed to walk them actually. Let me just go ahead and walk them. I'll be back. Okay, let's go ahead and walk my dogs before they start barking. Nope, too late. Coming, guys. Sorry, guys, I forgot to walk you guys. Don't worry, we're gonna walk right now. I'll do anything for you guys. I don't even care if it's dark. I'll get kidnapped for all I care. Actually, that would be kind of sad because then you guys won't have anyone to stay with. Okay, let's go for a walk before it gets a little bit too dark outside. Guys, wait for me. Okay guys, so we're done walking, so now I'm gonna go feed them dinner. I know guys, I know, I'm getting your food. Run along now. Getting kind of sleepy. Well, thanks for watching my night routine. I'm gonna start going to bed now.